Guess what, friends? This is it. This is number 12 of the 12 days of Christmas cookies. Didn't take us but about 24 days to get to 12, did it, Teresa? And y'all were so sweet, so good to me, so giving, so kind, so sharing to share with us your favorite family Christmas cookies that y'all bake at home. And I just love hearing all about it. And the last cookie that we're doing for the 12 days is from Sandy Davis. Y'all are just all so sweet. She said, Christmas cookie, these melt in your mouth. She said, hey, Paul, I love everything you do. Love Savannah. And I've been there many times. I lived in Charleston, South Carolina for over 15 years until I met the Australian man of my dreams. Does he have a brother, sister? We have been married now 16 years, and I moved to Australia in 2006 for 10 years. My husband is with Boeing, and we have lived in wait just a minute. I had it a while ago on my tongue. Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi.
I said it right, didn't I? United Arab Emirates. And now Doha Qatar, I don't know, which happens to host the 2022 World Cup of Soccer from November the 19th till December the 18th.
It's happening right now.
Yes. So I hope you at least try these. I have one more I may send. Sandy, please send the other one. And it doesn't have to be 12 days of Christmas cookies. I can do it and share it with everybody whenever you want me to, and I'll do it. So this is a cheesecake cookie, y'all. And she said it makes about 21 cookies. So this may be one you want to double. But we're going to start with 5 ounces of softened cream cheese. And this is one of those love it, easy cookies. So thank you, Sandy. It's right up my alley. You know, I'll try to do those Christmas cookies, you know, the sugar cookies that you roll out and cut out and then try to paint them and all that stuff. I ain't got time. For that. So I'm much more fond of these. All right, so let's see what Sandy says. Do. Preheat the oven to 350. Beat the cream cheese, granulated sugar, and butter with an electric mixer. We can do that. Okay. All right, Sandy said to beat that for about 1 minute and then scrape down the sides. Now we're gonna add our egg and we're gonna beat it for, another minute or so. Now I'm gonna take our all-purpose flour. It's about 1.5 cups of flour. No, it's not about, it is 1.5 cups of flour, y'all. And I'm gonna add my baking powder and my salt to our flour, and then we're gonna slowly add this into our eggy mixture. I love that little tang of saltiness with my cookies, Teresa, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, ma'am. Turn that down a little bit. And I'm going to add, oh gosh, I think it's a 4th or a 3rd cup at the time. Okay, you want to just beat that together until it's, just incorporated. So I think Sandy is telling us not to overbeat it. These are so hard to get all the dough out of it. Probably a dough hook would have been better because you only have like 2 pieces to try to get out the dough. So it's incorporated good, but I'm gonna come around in here and make sure I scrape the sides of our bowl real good. And the bottom of your bowl to make sure all that's incorporated. So Sandy tells us to chill this for about 15 or 20 minutes. You know, get a little firmness to it. And she said to drop them using a 1.5 inch utensil. She just said, let me see. Using a 1.5 inch scoop, dollop batter into rounds spaced 2 inches apart on the baking sheet with parchment paper. So here we go. Okay, Sandy. Our cookie dough has been sitting here in the refrigerator drawer, and I'm so excited. Now let me refresh myself on what I'm doing here. I know you tell us to use a 1.5 inch scoop, and I really don't have a scoop that size. All right, let's see, break about 12 minutes, rotating baking sheets from top to bottom through bake time. Cookie tops will not have any browning, but will be slightly cracked and should spring back when lightly touched. Okay, so we're gonna dust them with powdered sugar after they come out. We're gonna make the little indentation so it can hold the cherry. And I'll see how close I'm gonna get because she said this makes 21 cookies. So we'll see. Wish you were here, Sandy. Wish you were here, girl. Sandy, you won't believe this, honey. Look, I can get one more. We're at 20 right now. I think I can turn that though into 21. I'm gonna turn it into 21 if I have to stand here all afternoon and get that, scrape that dough out. Oh, cookie. 21 cookies, Sandy.
Going in the oven. How many minutes? 12?
This batter is so good. You know, there's just nothing that'll take the place of cream cheese. Nothing.
How many minutes?
Oh. I said a while ago, and now I can't.
I think you said 350.
15 to 20 minutes. Oh, no, that's what we refrigerated. 12 minutes. Sandy, yours turned out prettier than mine, honey. Your picture.
I'm going to buy you a scoop.
Cause
I think it's the scoops that makes the difference.
I want for Christmas.
I'm going to tell Santa Claus to bring you a scoop.
All right, now I'm making a little house for the cherry that's going to go in there. Yeah, Sandy said they wouldn't get brown, but my oven may have been hot. You know, I cook on a commercial oven, y'all, so it's a bad boy. So I have to adjust cooking time on whatever I'm cooking. You know, I just have to adjust it and play with it. 21 cookies.
I think they look beautiful.
All right, now do I powder sugar them now? Yeah. I powdered sugar them before.
They cool.
Yeah, and we're going to let them cool. Oops.
And then we put the cherry in.
Yes. We're going to let them completely cool. They look delicious. After these have cooled completely, Sandy said, stick the little cherry down in there. Now, if you're making them for like tomorrow or the next day, don't put the cherry in them until you're ready to serve, because that cherry has got moisture in it and it could make the cookie kind of gooey. So I don't mind to get gooey. Look how pretty. It's like an incredible shortbread cookie. I mean, it just crumbles in your mouth. It truly does melt in your mouth. All right, let me get a little bite of cheer. Sandy, thank you so much, and I'm waiting on the next recipe, okay? Merry Christmas, darling, wherever you are, Dubois or the States. Merry Christmas with love and thanks.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.